Hello, everybody. Today we're at Rainbow Vomit, which is located in Dallas, Texas. It's a really small pop-up art installation renovated from a historical building with lots of spots for some really fun selfies. If you are in the area, I highly suggest you guys check this out. Without further ado, let's check out Rainbow Vomit.
Barfing rainbows.
Does it look like it?
A little bit. Ah.
It's a squishy cotton candy chair. Very good. 9 out of 10. Would recommend.
Hold the rolling pin. Should be right behind you. Yeah.
It's black.
It is a black rolling pin.
You want some purple milk?
Sure.
Or some blue cereal? Or some green cereal?
Whoa, green cereal. No, it's alright. I already have a cup of Joe.
Oh, they glued it. I wanted to know what was in here.
What actually is in there?
Yeah.
It's probably just like trash.
I opened the milk though, so. Purple goldfish!
What? Nice.
What? Who was behind door number 1? Nothing. Who was behind door number 2?
Space.
Who was behind door number 3? More space with a rainbow.
Yeah, more space with the rainbow.
Who was behind door number 4?
I don't know. Oh, clouds? Oh, nice. With also a rainbow. Part of a rainbow.
And more rainbows.
And more
All the
rainbows.
rainbows, you can imagine.
Yeah. What's behind door number middle?
Oh, you realize what's behind this door?
Stars and clouds.
What's behind this? Oh, a drawstring that opens up the secrets of the world.
Yeah.
Maybe that's the secret.
I guess it is. Thing is that means that we can go through there.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Well, we discovered it. Yeah.
I hear normal pose.
Yeah.
It's her everyday pose. For natural habitat.
Sitting in the clouds. Whoa. That's pretty cool.
How does it feel to be on cloud 9? Get it? Get it? You hate me? Yeah, we just came back from their time warp because the last thing they probably saw was us right here. They're like, oh, let's take a room, let's go. So, time warp, we
Yeah.
was there, and now we're back here.
Now that nobody's
Now
proud
we
of
got
this.
all the whole space to ourselves.
Yeah. But
Help me, Superman, I'm in trouble. in the museum's bathroom right now.
Yeah.
Even the actual bathroom is a piece of work. I love it. All right, let's get out of here.
Yeah.
I feel like a creep for recording in the restroom.
Rainbow paint wall. Cute.
This is my favorite
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
out of all the installations. It's not even don't mind this sign. It's totally working. I'm very busy.
Ching.
See?
Mm-hmm. Busy at work, huh?
Goodbye.
That was a short conversation. The president didn't have all that to say.
Does this work? No.
It doesn't work. I mean, it's a really well lit room. Yeah. Golly, he just.
He calls me all the time.
And you're just completely over it. What time do you get off work? Now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
It's an awful lot of noses.
Oh no, I gotta get my files in there.
Oh, they're flying out of the cabinet.
I need to get my files in order.
These aren't files, they're comic strips.
Oh, I have a side project I'm working on. I'm very insecure about it. Not many people know about it. Excuse me.
Your plant is very dead.
Oh no, it's fine. It's just.
Dead. Yes. All right. What's over here?
You know what time it is?
Beer o'clock.
Yes.
Serve me a drink, please.
Sure thing.
What's on tap? Wow, that's already
This.
done. Okay. So, yeah.
Glug, 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 glug. Glug, 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 glug. Wait.
Yeah.
Glug, 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 glug.
Oh no, you're a wino.
Glug, glug, glug.
Jeez.
Glug, glug. Wait, what is it called? Oh, right here. Glug, 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 glug.
Oh yeah, it's
Rainbow vomit.
rainbow.
Glug, glug, glug. You see my cat up there? It's been living up there for the past 15 days. I can't get it down.
Yeah, he seems all right
It's
though.
okay. You have fun? If you guys haven't already, be sure to hit that like button, click subscribe, and follow me on all the social medias. The information is somewhere on the screen right now. And